Welcome back, manual readers. Ready to unlock some knowledge and unofficially learn something new? Let's begin.
What if I told you that your student email address, the one you use for class announcements and free pizza alerts, is actually a secret key? A key that unlocks thousands of dollars worth of professional-grade, cutting-edge technology for free or at a ridiculously low price. This isn't a clickbait headline. This is your unofficial manual to turning that simple .edu address into a career-catapulting superpower. For a limited time, while you're a student, companies like Google, Microsoft, and Adobe are practically giving away the same tools that power Silicon Valley. Today, we're breaking down the absolute best deals you need to claim right now to get a massive head start in the AI and tech future. Let's get into it.
First up, the game changer, Google's AI offerings. Right now, eligible students can get the Google AI Pro plan completely free. This isn't a trial version. This is the full power subscription that normally costs about $20 a month. With this, you get unlimited access to Gemini 2.5 Pro for homework help, coding assistance, and research. But the hidden gem here is NotebookLM. Think of NotebookLM as your personal AI research assistant. You upload your class notes, textbook PDFs, lecture recordings, anything, and it becomes an expert only on that material. It won't make stuff up from the internet. It gives you summaries, answers your questions with direct citations from your documents, and can even create study guides or quizzes for you. The student plan gives you the pro version of NotebookLM, with 5 times the normal usage limits. This is, without a doubt, the most powerful study tool on the planet right now, and it's free for you.
Next, let's talk about bringing your ideas to life. Whether you're a designer, developer, or marketer, you need to know how to create stunning visuals. First, Adobe Creative Cloud. This is the undisputed king of creative software. Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, you name it. It normally costs a staggering $70 a month, but with a student email, you get a massive 57% discount, bringing it down to about $30 a month for your first year. But the best deal in the design world is Figma. Figma is the industry standard tool for designing websites and apps. It's what teams at major tech companies use every single day. The professional plan, which gives you unlimited files and collaboration features, is 100% free for students. All you have to do is go to figma.com/education/apply, verify your student status, and you've got a professional design toolkit at your fingertips.
All right, for all the future coders, developers, and engineers, this one is for you. The GitHub Student Developer Pack is the single most valuable resource you can get. It's not just one tool. It's a treasure chest of over a dozen professional services, worth well over $1,000, all for free. You get GitHub Copilot Pro, the AI pair programmer that developers pay a premium for. You get free domain names to build your portfolio website. You get free cloud hosting credits to deploy your projects. You get professional code editors. You get access to learning platforms like DataCamp and Front-End Masters. This pack gives you a complete end-to-end professional development environment. You can build and launch a real-world application without spending a single dollar. To get it, just go to education.github.com/pack and verify your student status.
So let's recap. You have access to Google's most powerful AI and a personal research assistant, the entire Adobe Creative Suite at a massive discount, the industry-standard design tool Figma for free, a complete professional developer toolkit from GitHub for free. This isn't just about saving money. It's about getting hands-on experience with the exact tools that companies are hiring for right now. Building projects with these tools is what will make your resume stand out. But here's the catch. This superpower has an expiration date. The moment you graduate, these deals disappear. Your .edu email is a key, but it's a key that expires. So, this is your call to action. Don't wait. Claim these offers, build something amazing, and launch yourself into the future. That's your unofficial manual for today. Now go build.
So there you have it. If you're ready to keep turning the pages of the manual with us, hit that subscribe button. For our next chapter, we want your input. Tell us in the comments what part of life you wish came with a manual, and we might just build that blueprint next. Thanks for joining the experiment.